Jared here from Tomas Developments, bringing you through our Maylands project 7-week progress. Walking through the hallway, to our left we got the study, and next to it we got the powder room, and through here we got the bathroom, freestanding bath, vanity and the shower. Beautiful highlight window, feeds in lots of natural light. Not only have we done the addition to the back of the house, we've also put an ensuite to the side of bedroom 1, giving the client the luxury of 2 bathrooms. Right now, this is 7 weeks progress. Stay tuned for more updates in the upcoming weeks.